Hi, hello. Myself Kamal. I'm the founder of Maker Global, and we run 3D printing company. We do rapid prototyping and additive manufacturing. So we work with clients who are mold makers, and before they make a mold, they make a sample or a prototype with us. So rapid prototyping is something, before you make a mold or before you make a tool, you have to make a sample product first. So before you invest on a mold, this is the technology where it can help you make prototypes. So we have different applications: so mold industry, architectural industry, even we work with movies, and we work with prototyping for them basically. HIPLEX response is very good actually, because from the day one we have more visitors and people are very attracted to this new industry, and we have very good footfall actually. Yeah, thank you.